everybody, welcome to the channel. We're doing the first official F250 mod, and we're going to do some maintenance items on the daily driver. You may not be able to see it, but the mod for the F250 is right there. Please excuse the mess. We just moved and we're still sorting through all of this stuff here. It's a little windy outside, but man, I am so happy with how that turned out. I mean, just look at that. It looks so good on there. And it's almost not crooked as well. Well, the fun part's over. Now it's time to deal with the daily driver. Oh yeah, that's what we have to deal with today. We're going to do a quick little test and see before we change the brakes what these things look like, and then we'll do an after shot after we get done changing them and see how we improve the performance of the brakes. As we can see, that's not the greatest. I mean, the brakes are pretty worn out and I had to push the pedal pretty hard to get it there. So we'll have to get the brakes changed out and see what things look like whenever we get done. one of those super cheap brushes. Just give this a go here. Never used this stuff before, so finally decided I'm actually just going to paint this plate red as well, and that was after I couldn't get the thing to come off. Got a lot of runs with this cheap brush, so try to smooth that stuff out and see. I figured this stuff would be messy, and that's why I'm leaving all the old stuff on first. I'm just going to go ahead and paint it while everything is old, and then have all the new stuff ready to go. I think this is going to take a couple coats though, especially on this plate. We got a lot of streaking. Alright, so we have the first coat of paint on the calipers, and now we got to let it tack up and dry a little bit. Doesn't look too bad. I think that it adds a nice little pop of color there. Probably put another coat on these back ones though. And just like that, we now have new brakes. We're going to go ahead and do a comparison of the after the new brakes. We'll do another 0, 60, 0. Or roundabout and see how things look. Seems like these brakes work a lot better than what the other ones did. I'm thoroughly pleased with these so far, and I mean they are stopping the car and there's no brake warning, so I think we're making some pretty good progress here. I think these brakes will work for a little bit. They are not the best set. I mean, they're not Brembos, and you know, I don't think that the company selling them was trying to be. I will make sure to leave a link in the description for the brakes that I use. If you liked the video, please tap that like button and subscribe to see more of the projects.